Can you actually turn the number 8 into a realistic insect? Watch this. First we start with the perfect number 8 and then we use the curves to build out the ant's body. It looks simple, but wait until you see the final details. Honestly, most people get the legs completely wrong when they try this. Did I actually nail it? Or does it look a bit off? Let me know in the comments right now. Now for the best part, bringing it to life with some vibrant orange and bright yellow blending. It completely changes the vibe. And boom! From a simple number 8 to a stunning, colorful ant. If you want to master easy drawing hacks like this every day, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.